Hello everyone, welcome back to the video lecture series of Electrical Circuits and Network. In the previous sessions, we have discussed the series resonant circuit in detail. In this lecture, we are going to solve the numericals on series resonant circuit. So let's get started. Our first question is a RLC series circuit with a resistance of 20 ohm, inductance of 0.25 Henry and capacitance of 100 microfarad is supplied with 240 volt variable AC supply. Calculate first one resonant frequency, second current at this condition, third power factor, and fourth is the quality factor. First we will write the given data. As it is mentioned here, it is a series RLC circuit. So here written series RLC circuit. Then the resistance value is 20 ohm here. Inductor value is 0.25 Henry and the capacitance value is 100 microfarad. And voltage is given 240 volt variable AC supply. And it is RMS value of voltage given directly. Here we have drawn the circuit where one resistor, one inductor and one capacitor are connected in series across a single phase AC supply having RMS value 240 volt. Okay. Here we have to find first the resonant frequency FR, current through the circuit at this condition means at the resonant condition, then power factor and fourth quality factor. Okay. These are we are going to solve here. First we will calculate the resonant frequency. For a series resonant circuit, we derived this equation for resonant frequency FR is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. Okay. Putting the values of L and C, we will get 1 upon 2 pi under root of L value is 0.25 and C value is 100 microfarad. Micro means 10 power minus 6. So 10 power minus 6 written here. We will get the value 31.83 Hertz. It is the frequency, so unit will be Hertz. This is the required resonant frequency for the given circuit. Then secondly, we have to find the current at this condition. At this condition means at resonant condition. So we already know that the resonant current or the current through the circuit when it is at resonant, IR equals to V upon R, because the circuit acts as a purely resistive circuit. So V divided by R. So 240 divided by 20, we will get this 12 ampere. This is the required current at this condition. Then power factor. As we know, the resonance is achieved when XL becomes equal to XC. That means the reactive part of the impedance will become 0 and Z is equal to only R. That means the series RLC circuit at resonance frequency is behaving as a purely resistive circuit. So voltage and current in that case will be in phase with each other. So the phi will be 0. So cos of 0 will be 1. That is unity. So power factor will be unity at resonance. Then we have to calculate here quality factor Q. We have also derived this equation Q is equal to 1 upon R under root of L and C. We have all these values R, L and C. Putting the values of these terms, we will get 1 upon 20 as R is 20 under root of L is 0.25 Henry and C is 100 microfarad. For micro, 10 power minus 6 is written here and we will get this 2.5 is the quality factor of this circuit. Okay, that means what? The voltage across here in this circuit, when the circuit is at resonance, the current through this is 12 ampere and this voltage 240 volt whole voltage appear across this resistor only, and the voltage across this and voltage across this inductor and capacitor are equal and opposite in nature to each other, and it is equal to Q times V. Q times V. Q is what? 2.5 calculated and into 240 will be the voltage across this VL and VC at this resonant condition. Okay. In this way we can solve the given numerical. Then the next question is, a circuit consists of a resistance of 4 ohm and inductance of 0.5 Henry and a variable capacitance in series across a 100 volt 50 Hz supply. Okay. Calculate here First one, the value of capacitance to produce resonance. The value of capacitance which is required to produce the resonance. Then second, the voltage across the capacitance. And third, the quality factor of the circuit. Okay, the quality factor of the circuit. Let's solve this. First, we will write the given data as it is a resistance, inductance and capacitance is mentioned. So it will be the series RLC circuit, and connected in series also mentioned. So it will be RLC series circuit, where resistance value is 4 ohm written here. Then inductor value is 0.5 Henry given here. So drawn here. And the capacitance value is not given. Okay, capacitance value is not given here. Current is also not given, and voltage is given as 100 volt and 50 hertz. 100 volt is the RMS value of voltage and 50 hertz the frequency of this voltage. Okay, we have written the given data here. Here we have to find the first the value of capacitance at which the circuit produce resonance. Okay, and the voltage across capacitance and the Q factor. Okay, first we will calculate the C. First, to calculate C, we know that at a resonance condition, Xc equals to XL. Okay, this is the capacitive reactance equals to the inductive reactance. So 1 upon 2 pi Fc, which is equal to XL 2 pi FL. Okay, here we know this frequency, we know this inductor, but we don't know this capacitor, and we have to find this capacitor from this equation. So C is taken here and 2 pi FL is taken here. So C equals to 1 upon this 2 pi come here. So 4 pi square F into F square, and this is L here. So L 1 upon 4 pi square F square L. So this will give the value of C. So putting the values of this F and L, 1 upon 4 pi square into frequency is 50, so 50 square, and inductor is 0.5 Henry, so 0.5 written here. So if we calculate this with the help of calculator, we will get C is equal to 20.26 into 10 power minus 6 farad. This will be the answer. If we convert this into microfarad, 20.26 microfarad, because 10 power minus 6 is nothing but micro here. Okay. In this way, we can calculate the value of capacitance which is required to produce resonance in the given circuit. Okay. Now the second step is calculate current as resonance, as the current is required to calculate the voltage across capacitor. So calculate first the current at resonance. We know that at resonance the total impedance of the circuit is only R. So I is equal to V upon Z, and Z is nothing but R. So V upon R, and V is 100 given and R is given 4. So 25 ampere. So at resonance current through the circuit is 25 ampere. Okay. Then next we have to find this, calculate the voltage across capacitor. We know that voltage across capacitor is nothing but I into Xc. We have already discussed in the previous lectures. Vc is equal to I into Xc. I is calculated 25. Xc is what? 1 upon 2 pi Fc. We have this frequency, and also the capacitance value also we have calculated in the first step. So putting the values of these two, we will get 25 into 1 upon this 2 pi. Frequency is 50 here. Capacitance is 20.26 into 10 power minus 6. We will get this value 3927.81 volt. This is the voltage across capacitor. If you observe in the circuit, the voltage is what? Given voltage, supply voltage is 100 volt. Only 100 volt is given, and which will appear across this resistor only, but the voltage across capacitor is what? The voltage across this capacitor is 3927.81. That means 3927.81. But the given supply is what? 100 volt. So what is the voltage magnification in this circuit? If we divide this by the supply voltage, that is 100 volt, we will get 39.27. So 39.27 times the voltage is increased when the circuit is in resonance. Okay, and that is known as voltage magnification when it is when it is in case of series resonant circuit. Okay, and that voltage magnification is nothing but quality factor. So quality factor will be 39.278. Or another way is that how to calculate this Q factor. At resonance we know that Vc equals to Q times voltage. Q is the quality factor and V is the input voltage. So voltage across capacitor will be Q times V. So Q will be what? We know Vc, we know V, and we have to find this Q. Q is equal to Vc divided by this V. Vc upon V. Vc is 3927.81 divided by 100. We will get 39.278. Okay, this is the quality factor we have already discussed here. This is the quality factor of this given circuit. Or we have another formula for this quality factor. Q is equal to 1 upon R under root of L by C. So putting the values of R, L and C, 1 upon 4, R is 4, L is 0.5 and C is 20.26 into 10 power minus 6. So when we calculate this, we will get the same value 39.278. So by this both methods we can calculate the quality factor, and this Q factor indicates the voltage magnification produced by a series resonant circuit. Okay, this is the Vc. Vc is 3927.81 volt. That is Q times V. That means 39.27 times the voltage is increased. As the given voltage is only 100 volt, but it is increased to 3927.81 volt. And this is the same voltage which appear across capacitor will be the same voltage across the inductor also, but in opposite in nature. And so they cancel each other, and the total voltage in the circuit is only 100 volt. Okay. In this way, we can solve step by step the various numericals based on series resonant circuit. I hope you have understood. And in the next session, we will discuss parallel resonance. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.